So the next show that I hosted, Pambazuka National Lottery Show, this show, amazing. The first ever live lottery show in the country. I remember the show was really exciting. The energy was amazing. A fun fact I can share with all of you about the show is just the fact that people were really winning money.
Hizi sendi nenda kufungua biashara yangu.
Kufungua biashara, tupige makofi.
5, 6, 7, 9, 10,000. 7, 6, 5, 4.
Like, I remember people thinking that, you know, everything is staged. No, like, people were really winning that money. The fact that the energy was so infectious, everybody worked really well together. It was like a well-oiled machine. And I secretly believe it's the fact that, you know, the production company was led by a woman who was very focused, and she did a really good job. So that's something that I remember the most about Pambazuka National Lottery Show. In terms of beauty secrets, now, you know, we had professional makeup artists that were doing my makeup. They were doing a really good job. What I learned was the importance of, number one, resting, and the importance of nighttime skincare, because the show would air at night. I would get home and then I was very tired. The days where I was too tired and did not take off my makeup, I noticed it immediately because a pimple would form on my forehead, you know, the cheeks, on the chin. And so when I saw this and I noticed this, I was like, I have to start taking care of my skin more. You have to make sure that you take off that makeup. And then secondly, you have to do your nighttime skincare. I feel like it's the best thing that you can ever do to your skin before you go to bed. If you can do something like a cleanse and a mask and a steam, like you can steam your face and then moisturize, you're not going to believe it. The moment you wake up in the morning, you wake up glowy, radiant. I promise you, you have to try it. Even if you're so lazy to do your skincare during the day, make sure that at night you get to do it, because I learned this during this phase of my life, and this is where now I discovered nighttime skincare. So this is the biggest beauty lesson that I can share with all of you. I don't care how tired you are, take off that makeup, you know, wash your face, do at least steam your face, and then moisturize and go to bed. When you wake up in the morning, flawless. One thing I want for you to take away from this entire conversation is the importance of you investing in your health. Your skin is your investment. It is not an expense. If you're looking for natural skincare products that are going to help you in maintaining that healthy, glowy skin without harming your hormones, then make sure that you reach out to WellnessKE Skin. Click the subscribe button so that you know every time we post new fun videos on skincare. Thank you so much, ladies, for always showing up, always supporting, and always commenting. My name is Fatma. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.